Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add stickers and GIFs to VN videos. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to add stickers and GIFs to VN videos, all you gotta do is simply go to VN video editor. Once you are in your VN video editor, all you gotta do is use the PIP, that is picture in picture feature, which allows you to overlay images and videos including GIFs onto your main video track. The VN app has a library of stickers you can add directly to the project. All you gotta do is simply use the simple feature, select a category, and drag, resize, and rotate the sticker you want. So you can simply add animations as well, like fade in, out, or adjust the opacity using the tools in the bottom toolbar. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.